Hi there, my name is Sochima and I am from the beautiful city of Enugu in Nigeria. I am a fully certified educator and I am here to help you improve in your mathematics skills. So if you are a parent looking to help improve your child's mathematics skills or you yourself would like to improve your mathematics skills or learn mathematics for specific occasion or examinations such as WAEC, JAMB, NECO, NAPTEP, then this is definitely the channel for you and I am definitely the teacher for you. I have tailored lessons that will specifically meet your need and I'm also able to offer you assistance both inside and outside of the classroom. And all in all, I am here to help create a very calm and conducive environment that will enable you to learn mathematics and help you to progress and reach your goals. So, if you would like to learn more about my teaching skills or teaching methods, then I recommend that you please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, participate in the class through your comments and likes, and I assure you, you will not be disappointed. I can't wait to meet you and see you in class. Bye.